channel Gaming Queens. So today again we are together.
Yes, so I am Bra I and
You are Bra?
yeah, I changed my name.
Okay, she's Bra 1 and I am just Bra.
It's Bra I.
Whatever it is. So we both, I think, are crewmates.
Yeah, I'm doing my admin swipe card. I'm making my volumes go. If I kill someone, she don't come to know.
So you're the imposter.
No, when I say that.
I'm gonna kick you off.
Oxygen.
Oh,
Go to oxygen. I don't know. I'm doing my download.
75107. Hi, Pussycat. I skipped. Hi, Pushy.
You just read thing. What? You wrote this G.
What? Oh, I'm white.
Yeah, you.
He's sleeping. I hope I could show you guys how cute he is.
He's sleeping. Someone think black and red, literally. Maybe they both.
Black left.
Black left?
Yeah.
I meant
Potato
red.
left.
Red. That person also red, but he wrote potato. Oh, everybody voted red. Only you and this one skipped red.
Who?
You and
Oh.
red.
They put anonymous vote on.
That's good.
Was
See,
that
but
poster?
why did you vote red, huh?
But still, he got voted out.
Oh, your pussy gets so cute. Oh.
He won!
But-
It was
but
black!
it was
potato! It was potato! The crewmate!
I don't trust you because last time also you said you were crewmate. Oh, I have weapons. Do anyone want to come to see?
Yeah, I wanna.
Okay, come.
I don't trust you.
Come, I have weapons.
Brawan, why are you black?
You can see me doing weapons.
Yeah,
I'm safe.
you are.
I want other people to see me, so I didn't do it.
Electrical.
Anyone's doing admin swipe card? Nah.
There's no admin swipe card.
No,
today.
like some imposters do. They don't check.
I know. That time I come to know that they're fake tasking. One time somebody was fake tasking and I caught them and they were like, which puff? I mean, I was that color. I think I was black. They
Someone
were like,
electrical with me. I don't want to die. Red is going to kill me.
I just passed. It's brown, I think. Okay, I'm in electrical.
We both are safe, I think. Okay.
I don't even have a task there. Yellow called emergency.
You say I'm safe because you saw me do weapons.
It's the black is safe. Is safe.
Just
Is
say fast,
safe because I saw she do weapons. She do weapons. Why black? The black is safe because I saw she do weapons. Purple saw me do weapons. It's brown. I think it's brown. It's brown. Brown.
Yeah, what brown?
Brown.
Already I did weapons.
Yeah,
If
you
they
know.
vote me, I'm going to kill them.
You're not even the imposter. How will you kill them?
I know. Yes, they voted brown.
Yeah, I know.
Only brown and yellow voted.
Because I said you did weapons. I literally saw you do weapons. Yeah. You know how I came to know it's brown? Because when I was doing the storage fixing wiring thingy, he is like coming. He came to kill me. Then he called me into electrical now. So I went from there and then I had a sus on him. Because he suddenly came and he was like, no. Okay, do you have any medkit and stuff?
I have
so
I don't have scan. I have the thing.
I could see you medbay. I don't have any medbay stuff.
I don't have my bay. Why is they both are staying here?
Then I have reactor. Leave. No, his name is Reef, but we call him Reefu. Pet name. Pet's name is pet name. What? Oh boy, I forgot.
Okay, you're doing reactor.
Okay, unlock manifolds. 1, 2. Wait, shit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't even think this task makes any sense. Oh, it's black.
What?
Who is black? He was trying to follow me.
I'm black. I followed you and then I left because I was sus on you.
Are you trying to kill me? Are you the imposter?
I'm not the imposter. I was looking for you, but
Guys, I don't trust Angel. She literally came like she's gonna kill me. Brown came to kill me. It's like that. Is there only one imposter?
Yeah, I think it's only one imposter.
I'm gonna kill you, Angel.
You're the imposter. What will kill me?
I'm not the imposter, but still. Guys, I think it's Angel. She's acting weird.
It's not me.
Oh my god! I'm not going and doing the oxygen duplicate task, whatever it is, because I don't trust you because you literally went there.
It's not me.
It is you! I finished my task. I'm going into the other room. Do the thing!
Yeah, where are you?
Why do you want to know where I am?
I don't know.
I knew it was Angel!
I wanted to kill you for last. I literally killed red back of you. Didn't you see that?
No.
Literally, I killed red back of you. I thought you saw that, but you ran.
I wanted to see if he killed somebody, but then because I was not sure. Let's see if I become the imposter. If I become the imposter, I'm gonna kill you first.
No, kill me last. If there's a video, then there is a bear. Are you an imposter? Because you.
Oh my gosh! I don't care if people vote me out. I'm killing you first.
Why are you killing me first? Are you imposter?
I don't care even if people see me.
Are you imposter? Stop! Literally, just stop.
Oh, I
It's red.
I don't care if people it's white.
In storage. Why is it white? I'll say black.
White killed. Self-report. White killed. Self-report.
Black ran away.
White. Self-report.
If not me, black.
White.
Literally, why did you scream? I would not even know you were an imposter.
White.
See, black killer.
I think they're gonna choose you.
Bye.
I'm feeling to say some words, but I'm putting my
Why did you say, oh, I'm the imposter, I'm going to kill you first? Why did you do that?
What's the imposter?
Yeah, why did you do that? I would not know you were the imposter. Okay.
Okay, if I become the imposter, I'm literally killing you first. You
Okay.
are gonna get killed first because guys, she is sitting right side of me. That's why she can see my face expressions.
Yeah, so, but we can't see our phones because we are like, our phones are touching together.
And my
I am Medbay scan. Everyone come to see Medbay. Medbay.
and
I
my-
don't want you to come. I don't want you to kill me.
I'm not the imposter.
You had nicely imposter chance. You just killed Ari.
Yeah, still I killed somebody. If I become the next imposter, I'm killing you first. I'm not.
Go.
There is a dead body in electrical.
I know, wait, don't go report it because I just saw your. This one is.
This one is. There's a dead body in
Go report it. And
There's a dead body in You dead?
yeah, that's why I said, Baja.
Oh my. Electric. I think it's dark green.
Wait, say who was on cams?
It's dark green.
No, don't say that. Who was on cams?
It's dark green. Dark green. I saw dark green. Dark green. I saw
It
you
looks like
here.
you're literally looking at my skin. Did you see my screen?
No.
Then how did you come to?
He said damn. Look. He only said damn. He's like damn.
Yellow was on cams, and Yellow saw dark green coming out of.
Is it dark green?
Yeah, he killed me.
He wanted himself.
Yeah, I thought you saw my screen.
No, I didn't. I was sus on green because yellow was not the imposter. I have the feeling that yellow was not in the imposter.
Yellow was on cams.
Yeah, so it could be it could be that. So guys, this is the last round we are doing because we don't want to make the video too big.
Yes.
We literally make the videos too big.
Yeah, we
because
say
of
we
our
make it small.
because of our stupid jokes in the middle of the video.
Yeah.
What's up, so Solias? What?
I just was editing a YouTube video. Faking also a YouTube video can be.
Starting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
Why are you saying
27,
numbers?
I feel like I have a Medbay scan.
Okay, I want to see your Medbay scan.
Oh, wait, I don't trust you. No, you don't come. You don't come.
Why don't you trust me?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think
Oh, we are 10 people.
it is you because you're acting up nervously there, bro.
What?
You're acting nervous. You're acting weird. Black is acting weird. Black is acting weird.
What? Literally, so I think so.
Black. Sus. You're literally acting weird. You're literally acting weird.
What? Why are you looking at my screen? Why are you looking at my screen?
You're acting weird. Guys, she's acting weird.
Why are you literally looking at my screen? Because you just saw my screen.
Guys, if I'm doing this again and again because I want to see if it's recording, because last time we were recording a video, we didn't even record and we were like thinking it's recording.
And guys, she did cheating. She literally saw my screen.
Yellow is say everyone. What?
Yellow is saying everyone.
Oh guys, I got disconnected.
Even I got disconnected. The
Okay.
game got over. I was an imposter because of you. You told everyone.
Okay, so guys, that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and the push notification in the button to post a new video.
Dad, I don't know what you just said. Bye.